Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the January 2026 Curated Bead Box to share with you all today. I have a coupon code for the Curated Bead Box. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. So it looks like the theme this time is Cosmic Chakra. Looks like it's going to be a really pretty, colorful box. So open it here and we'll take a little peek. There's the Finding Starter Kit. It always alternates between silver and gold. This time it's in gold. There's some awfully pretty beads in there. So hold on, I'll sort everything out. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And first I have the Finding Starter Kit. Like I said, it always alternates between silver and gold. This time it's in gold. I've got some memory wire and some bead stringing wire, some head pins, jump rings. Got my jump rings and my lobster clasp stuck together there. Jump rings. Lobster clasps. Fish hook ear wires. Crimp beads. These are crimp beads. They're not crimp tubes. And some stretchy string. And then in the beads, the first strand I have, y'all know I'm going to love this, 16-inch strand of 8mm deep amethyst gemstone style glass beads. A long strand of beads. Really, really pretty purple color. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8mm strawberry red glass pearl beads. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a 7 to 8-inch strand of 8mm green aventurine gemstone beads. And those are really pretty. And then next is a 7 to 8-inch strand of 8mm lapis gemstone beads. Really, really pretty. And then last in the strands is a 16-inch strand of 6mm light turquoise crackle glass beads. Really, really pretty. Love that crackle effect in there. And then next is approximately 1 ounces of 6mm apple green pebble glass beads. And I failed to get an eye pin out today. I usually have one laying here, but I don't see one. Wait, here's one. I found one. These are kind of drilled at the top. so they're not exactly drilled in the middle. Kind of hang more like a drop bead, but not really. They're just a little bit fatter on the bottom than they are on the top. They're really pretty. And then next is approximately 1 ounce, 8 by 4 millimeter orange peanut glass beads. So these are little peanut shaped beads. Really pretty. That one doesn't look like it's as big as these other two. And then next is a 1 ounce bag of 6/0 red glass seed beads. That's really neat. Some pretty beads to use as spacers. And then next is a 1 ounce bag of 6/0 baby blue glass seed beads. They're really pretty. Looks like they're kind of a crystal with a blue lining. It's easier to see these if I put them on a pen. They're really pretty. A whole bunch of them. And then next are 4 20 millimeter circle gold metal bead frames. Oh, these are neat. They've got the hole through there like that. Now you could put your bead in there and frame it. It's really pretty. And then next is a 22 millimeter Chakra gemstone and rhinestone pendant. That's just really pretty. It's got all the colors in it. Go really pretty with all these colors we've got in the strands. To tuck that little wire in there, it's sticking out a little. Cut it off or something, tuck it in. It's really, really pretty. And then this was not on my list, but these are some little gold spacer beads that were in there. I don't know, I guess they just accidentally left them off the list. But some pretty little gold spacer beads. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the January 2026 curated bead box called Cosmic Chakra. These are all really beautiful, colorful beads. It'll be a lot of fun to play with these, see what we can make with these. Especially to go with that really pretty pendant. I just love that little pendant there. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.